How many dogs?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many?
7.
Oh, let's count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, 6 dogs. How many fish?
3.
Yep. How many birds, Brogan?
9.
0. And how many other pets, Kiana?
4.
Good. Which pet do we have the most of in our class?
Dogs.
The dogs. Which pet do we have the least of? Oh, not the cat.
Birds.
Why is birds the least?
None.
Because there's none. So that's even less than the cat, right? Okay, now let's see. Brogan, what do we have more of? Fish or cats?
Fish.
Good. Kiana, what do we have more of? Dogs or other pets?
Wait. Dog. Wow.
Brogan, how many more fish than cats?
Because there's 3 fish.
And how many cats?
1.
So how many more fish?
3.
Well, I could look at this and say,
1.
how many more? There's 1, so 1, 2. 2 more, right?
Yep.
2 more fish than cats. Kiana, how many, what do we have more of? Cats or birds? Very good. All right, so this is what we call a pictograph, right? Let's see if you can read another graph and find out what another class said about their pets. Now, can you grab a pencil, please? Write your name on the top for me.
I got a pencil.
Did you write your story that quickly? And illustrate it?
Whoa!
Can I see it, please?
I guess cats win for this one.
Name, please. Initials are fine. Josh,
I'm all done.
come here, Josh.
Because I did my name real fast.
I see a title, but I don't see any story. The cat and the bear. Okay, but remember, my story has to tell me about cause and effect. Why does the bear have a black nose? What happened to him that made his nose turn black? Did he run into a can of paint? Did someone sneak in and color it with a magic marker? What happened to give him a black nose? Okay, why does the cat have a fluffy tail? Did somebody throw her in the dryer? Did she get a perm? Did she put it in curlers? Right? I need cause and effect. Okay?
With markers?
Just write with your pencil first, and then bring it back to me, and then we'll look at it, okay? Sorry, kindergarten. All right. We have another graph here, another pictograph called Our Pets, but this is for a different class and a different group of animals. I see again the same animals: cats, dogs, fish, birds, other. Oh, look what they had for other. Somebody in that class has a snake for a pet. Okay? So what I need you to do first is write how many of each pet on the lines there. Okay? Ready, go.
I read all of this. This is a name. Okay. And orange.
And how many for other? Okay, then would you find a red crayon, please? Do you have your crayons in here, Brogan?
Nope.
You know what? Marker's going to be fine. Can you grab a red marker, both of you?
Oh, red markers?
Mm-hmm. Because I forgot to mention crayons earlier, so just grab a red marker. That's
But I
fine.
have pants in here.
If you want to use your crayons, you can. Okay. Now, next thing. Can you both point to the row that has the most pets? All right, would you color all of the pets in that row red? Ready, go.
The animals are just the squares.
The animals.
I can't believe we're coloring a pictograph. That's what I said. You said, why are we coloring a pictograph? No, I didn't say that. And the last one, I'm going to color really good. That's the other one that I'm not like.
Keep coloring, Brogan, you're fine.
I could tell my mom and dad about this, which has the most. There's always and actually the birds and others weeds. That is dangerous. I am not getting a snake for a pet. I'm never gonna get a snake for a pet.
Okay, all done, Kiana?
Yep.
Next,
And
would
that
you,
one's
okay,
nice.
would you grab your green next?
Okay, the marker. I'm not ready yet.
Okay, Brogan, I'll start looking for your green for you to save a little time, okay? All right. Oh, wait up, Kiana. Wait till I tell you what to do. Next, would you point to the row that has the fewest pets? The fewest pets, or the least pets. All right, because how many fish were there? Only 2. Would you color the fish green?
Yay!
And a can of what? Okay, so finish that part. And then, Josh, can you take your markers and draw a picture of the bear running into the can of black paint? Would you illustrate your story for us? All right, looks good, Kiana. I'm going to set this aside for a minute.
Until Brogan gets done.
Until you're done with your next project. Okay, Brogan, I'm going to set this aside for a second. Guess what? I see an empty graph. Guess what you're going to do?
Drop it, Jerry.
You're going to make your own pictograph, okay? Now when I make a pictograph, Kiana, look at what I did. I draw lines, right? But I leave some space at the top to write a title, because remember my graph needs a title so that people know what it is that I'm counting. And, Brogan, did you see how I made this first column bigger? Because that's where I'm going to write the words, right? And I want to make sure I have space to write the words. Now, I'm going to give you 2 a minute to think and to talk with each other. I want you to decide what you're going to make a pictograph about. Let's make it about something that has to do with favorites. So, I'm going to give you 2 a minute to talk. Do you want to make a pictograph together about people's favorite foods? People's favorite season? Do you want to ask everybody what's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite movie? Okay, so I want you 2 to just talk with each other for a minute and see if you can decide what title you would like me to write up here. What do you want to make a pictograph about? Okay, you have a minute to talk. Ready, go.
Teacher? How about food?
Yes.
How about movies? Let's do winter or like I got a great idea. How about our favorite color? I want to try that.
What ideas do you have so far, kindergarten?
We don't have an idea yet.
None?
None.
Okay, I'll give
But
you
I think weather.
your favorite kind of
And
weather.
I think colors.
Colors. What's a good way we can decide between weather and colors? Kiana?
We can do
Just watch for the cord.
weather, and then when we get another one, we can do.
Do 2 graphs? Well, that would be a good idea, but we're only going to have time for 1. What if we did an eeny, meeny, miny, mo? Would that
Or
work?
we can do it this way. We can do it.
Yeah,
let's do me.
So let's do that. Ready? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So we're going to go with Brogan's. Brogan wanted to do favorite colors. Okay. So what title should I write at the top? Our,
Colors.
how about our favorite
Yeah. Colors.
colors? Kiana, don't worry. We'll get to do yours another time, okay? All right. So now, what do you think we should write in the boxes here, Brogan?
Brown, red.
We should write the names of colors?
Yeah.
Okay, so Brogan's, but you know what? I'm going to say room at the bottom for other. That means that if anybody has one that's not on the graph, we can put it under other, okay? So what did you want for the first one, Brogan?
Brown.
Brown.
And you can do red.
And then he said red. Can you sit down, please?
Purple.
Kiana said pink, and then I guess
Purple. Purple.
purple.
Yeah. That's all of them.
And then if anybody says blue or green or yellow, we'll put it under other, okay? Guess what I have for you?
Yeah.
Now, for your pictograph today about colors, maybe you won't even have to really draw so much of a picture as just kind of show us what color you're talking about, right?
But I don't have much.
So, let's see. Kiana and Brogan, why don't you both color one for me to show your favorite colors?
I'm gonna show like.
Just start coloring. Okay, when you're done, just set it kind of up here for now. Brogan, would you go ask Josh about his favorite color?
Okay. There. Where's Josh?
Okay, Kiana, why don't you go ask Bella about her favorite color?
I think. What's your favorite color? Josh, what's your favorite color?
Have to pick one, Josh, sorry.
Me?
Everybody just pick one favorite color today. What'd she say?
Green. Blue.
Okay, so give her a green.
He made my shirt sleeves blue.
Okay.
So we gotta put
Hey, Kiana, go ask Isabel about her favorite color.
What's your favorite color, Isabel? And that.
And then Brogan, you can ask me about my favorite color.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is brown.
What? That's my favorite color. Teacher's favorite. Your color is that?
I like brown. I like that color. All
But
right.
look it.
Now,
Teacher likes brown.
you may both go to Pastor's office, knock on his door, okay?
What
Before
door?
Well, in his office.
Okay.
Hey, come here for a second. Come here a second. Knock on his door, and when he says come in, then ask him, can you please help us with our math today? We need to know what is your favorite color.
Okay. If he says others, we'll do that.
Okay.
Okay.